In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove competitors on VidIQ. This is a handy tool for analyzing and keeping track of your competition, which can give you valuable insights into how you can improve your own content strategy. First things first, you need to head over to the VidIQ platform. Open up your browser and go to the VidIQ website. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the section where you can manage competitors. This is a vital part of using VidIQ to its fullest potential, as it allows you to directly compare your channel's performance with others in your niche. Next, look for the option labeled Competitors. This should be relatively easy to spot on the dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to a page specifically designed for competitor analysis. It's a powerful feature that allows you to not only keep an eye on what others are doing, but also to learn from their successes and mistakes. Once you're on the competitors page, you'll see an option to add new competitors. This is where you can expand your list of channels to monitor. Use the search bar to find a particular competitor you're interested in. Simply type in the channel name or keywords related to it. When you see the channel you're looking for in the search results, click on it to add it to your competitor list. Adding competitors allows you to get detailed analytics about their performance, helping you to benchmark your own channel's growth. Now, if you ever find that a competitor is no longer relevant or you're just looking to clean up your list, removing them is just as straightforward. Locate the competitor you wish to remove on your list. Next to their name, there will be a small icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Remove Competitor. This action will immediately take them off your list, and you won't receive any further analytics or updates about their channel. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily manage your competitor list on VidIQ, adding new ones when you want to expand your analysis, or removing them when they're no longer needed. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping an eye on trends and ensuring that your content remains competitive and relevant in your niche. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your YouTube journey.